They say cruising is the easiest vacation. Just show up and relax. But if you're a senior planning your first cruise, winging it can turn that dream trip into a floating headache. I've spent over 50 years at sea watching first-timers make avoidable mistakes, and I don't want that to be you. I've cruised just about everywhere, and today I'm sharing the real first-time cruise tips for seniors. Just honest, practical advice to help you avoid the most common rookie mistakes. So if you're sailing out of Florida, heading to the Caribbean, or even eyeing a European river cruise, get comfy. You're about to feel a whole lot more cruise ready. Let's jump into the 7 biggest mistakes first-time senior cruisers make and how to skip them entirely. Mistake number 1, booking the wrong cabin or the wrong cruise. Most first-timers grab the cheapest inside cabin thinking, I'll never be in the room. But for seniors, the cabin matters. Years ago, I booked a budget cabin right above the nightclub. My bed pulsed with bass till 2 a.m. Lesson learned. Pick a location that works for you. If you get seasick, stick to midship on a lower deck. If you need less walking, book near an elevator. And if you need accessibility features, ask early. They go fast. Also, cruise lines have personalities. Some are perfect for families, others cater to a quieter crowd. Don't book a party ship when you want a relaxing getaway. Know your vibe and match it to the right ship. Mistake number 2, arriving the same day your cruise departs. Flight delays, traffic, weather, they happen. And if you're flying or driving in the same day your cruise departs, you're gambling with your vacation. Always arrive at least 1 day early. I like to make it a bonus day. I fly in early, check out the local sites, and start vacation mode early. When others are racing through the terminal, I'm already on board with a drink in hand. Even better, some cruise lines offer pre-cruise hotel packages and early boarding perks. So not only do you get peace of mind, you might also get an extra margarita before sail away. Mistake number 3, overpacking and mispacking. Raise your hand if you've ever packed 15 outfits for a 7-day trip. Yep, me too. Cruise cabins aren't spacious, so pack smart. Bring comfortable, versatile clothes, a nicer dinner outfit or 2, and leave the rest. More importantly, keep your essentials in your carry-on: meds, passport, a change of clothes, and anything you can't afford to lose or delay. Your suitcase might not show up till dinner. Don't get caught without the things you need. Also, ships charge a fortune for seasick meds and toiletries. Bring your own, and double-check the list of banned items, like irons and surge protectors, so they don't get confiscated at check-in. Pack for comfort too. Walking shoes that won't leave you limping, a light sweater for chilly dining rooms, and sun protection for those tropical afternoons. And if you need it, pack a mini first aid kit. You'll thank yourself. Mistake number 4, ignoring health and mobility. Needs cruise ships can stretch the length of 3 football fields. If walking long distances tires you out, plan ahead. Request accessible cabins, rent mobility aids, and ask for grab bars or shower seats if needed before you sail. Don't assume the ship can provide everything last minute. Accessibility resources are limited and go fast. Plus, crew aren't allowed to assist with personal care. So if you need help, plan to travel with someone who can lend a hand. And don't push yourself on board. Take breaks. Skip an excursion if you're tired. Stay hydrated, pace yourself, and enjoy the trip at your own speed. Also, if you're prone to motion sickness, start medication the morning of embarkation, not after you're already queasy. Mistake number 5, skipping travel insurance. Most health insurance, including Medicare, doesn't cover care at sea or overseas. Travel insurance does. If you break a bone, get sick before the trip, or need to fly home unexpectedly, insurance can save you thousands. Buy it early, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Look for strong medical and evacuation coverage. It's peace of mind and worth every penny. And if paperwork feels overwhelming, call someone like me. I'll walk you through it. Mistake number 6, trying to do everything. First cruises can feel like a buffet of fun. You want to try it all. But overscheduling leads to burnout. I made that mistake in Zurich and spent most of the next day in bed. It's okay to skip things. Pick 1 or 2 excursions you really want. Relax on port days. Enjoy a slow morning with coffee and ocean views. You're not missing out. You're making space to enjoy the moment. You don't need to hit every trivia game, dance class, or late night show. Sometimes the quiet moments, a glass of wine on the balcony or a nap after lunch, are the best part. Mistake number 7, going it alone. Planning a cruise can feel like a lot. Ships, excursions, dining options, there's a lot to figure out. But you don't have to do it alone. A cruise-savvy travel advisor can simplify everything, and it usually doesn't cost you anything extra. I help folks pick the right ship, the best cabins, and even find perks you can't get booking direct. Once on board, don't hesitate to ask crew for help. Lost? Confused? Ask. People are happy to help. If something isn't right in your room, speak up. If you're not sure where to go, ask. The crew wants to help you have an amazing trip, but they can't fix what they don't know about. Even fellow passengers are a wealth of tips. Strike up a conversation. You might learn the best hidden bar on board or make a lifelong friend. All right now, I've got someone here who's been very patient and is dying to say hello. Folks, meet my trusty travel buddy, Max.
Hello there. Max here, Ken's right-hand pup and your resident canine cruise concierge. I've watched more embarkations than I've chased squirrels, and trust me, a little planning goes a long way. If you'd like help dreaming up your next great adventure, do me a favor and scan the QR code on the screen. It'll take you to our Where to Next survey. Quick, easy, and kind of fun if I do say so myself. And between us, I get a treat every time someone fills it out. Just saying. Oh, and my one extra tip, never skip breakfast on the last day. That buffet spread? Best parting gift you'll get from the ship.
Thanks, Max. Also, be sure to visit kencruises.com. We always have exclusive travel deals right on the homepage. Got something you're curious about? Cruising, landing tours, favorite spots, packing trips? Drop it in the comments. I've been doing this for a long time, and I'm happy to make a video, special, to share anything that might help make your next trip smoother. I hope this gave you the confidence to book that first cruise with a little less stress and a lot more excitement. If you still have questions, call me. Seriously. No menus, no robots, just me. I'll help you sort through your options, talk through your concerns, and find a cruise that's perfect for you. That's it from me and Max. Wishing you smooth seas, good health, and a whole lot of adventure.